This is our 2016 Land Rover Discovery. We recently had the oil changed, but we are still getting the message on the dash upon startup about service soon. So here, I'll start it up and you can see the message here. And I've looked around to try to figure out how to reset this, and I get kind of conflicting information. There's service required. So I thought I would go through this and show you how to do it. Most of the videos that I've seen are for the English UK versions of this car. The way to do it isn't much different on the US ones, but I thought I'd make a quick video. Some of the UK versions had a thing where you could scroll through the options up here on the dash, and it'll show you what the service interval is and to reset it. I could not find that anywhere on this version. So you open up the door, you pop the hood, turn it off, and turn it back on. So turn it on, and then don't start the car. Press down the brake and the accelerator pedal. And you do that for about 60 seconds. You press them completely down, and you do need to make sure that you have the driver's door open and the hood unlatched. It doesn't have to be fully up or anything. And so we'll wait about a minute. I'm watching the timer on this video. I want to go through and make sure that it does actually reset, because every car is a little bit different. And of course, I've got tons of cars, but they're always just a little different. And this one was strange because I couldn't find anything in the settings that said what the service interval to reset is, or even if it's just the oil change, or if there's a second light for it or anything, so, or a second message for it. I guess it's not really a light on these, but it's just kind of a minor annoyance that every time when you start it up, it says it, even though you've done the service on it. Okay. We're coming up right about on the minute mark. And so I'll go ahead and let off, turn off the car up there, go up and close the hood. We won't have that message either. Close the driver's door. And I don't want to have any other messages come up, so I'm going to put on my seatbelt here. Start her up. We'll watch for that message. It says the service message is gone. It still comes with that light load tire pressure setting as an informational. But anyways, if this helped you, please like and subscribe. That keeps me motivated to keep doing these videos. Thanks.